Okay, okay.
Azharuddin, sir.
Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
See, yesterday we were discussing about
Collision.
collisions, what happens, right? And basically, you have seen there are three stages of collision: no? Before, after, and during. That is what we learned. No?
Yes, sir.
And let us quickly review what we have learned. The stages which you have seen is see, similar to two bodies. Every body has some elastic property, tries to restore its shape. You press your skin with a finger, the skin again comes back to its original state if you remove the finger. That means every body tries to attain its natural dimensions. That property is called elasticity. There is one chapter we should study shortly. So this is the situation where we have seen then the blocks will, this is M2, this is M1. Obviously, which forces will come into play? This is the
Spring.
spring force.
Spring force.
Agreed? So, due to this, what will happen? The one speed of M1 will decrease because
You will
F is in the direction of motion now.
Yes, sir. No, against the direction of
No,
in
for
M1.
this it is in the direction.
Yes, sir.
Here,
Maximum compression.
at maximum compression, there won't be any further compression because both bodies are having more velocity, same velocity, no? So after that, because they are moving in
V2.
this way, the spring force continues to act.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the force. Okay, this is the force. So thereby, still this block slows down. M2 will further slow down under the action of this force,
Yes.
and finally
Speed
the
up.
blocks get separated.
Yes.
This is V2 dash, this is V1 dash.
V1 dash.
Okay, so here you can see that V1 dash is less than V2 dash.
V2 dash. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Followed this. Now
Yes.
this is figure 1, this is 2. Okay, so here figure 1, you can see that spring will get. Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
On the two blocks. Do you agree with this or not?
Agree, sir.
And increases
Increases speed of M2.
till when?
Sir, till max.
Velocities of both the blocks are equal.
Yes,
Do you agree with this?
agree, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Velocity of M1
Is less than velocity of M2.
decreases further.
Uh,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Understood this? Any
Understood,
doubt
sir.
is there?
No doubt.
This is our discussion of the last class. And this is vital for discussion of collision. Shall I turn this?
So, 1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
So 1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
No,
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, that you can observe this. There are three stages of collision. No?
Yes.
What are those?
Collision, during collision and after collision.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
before and after, what happens? There is no interaction of force, no?
Yes,
No
sir.
interaction.
Spring force.
So can we also write interaction forces as contact forces?
But there is also contact force. The contact force why we reserve is contact force comes due to intermolecular interactions. This is because of elastic property, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Agreed, sir.
The internal forces, the impulsive forces are internal, no?
Internal, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree.
That means I can write any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
No, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Return this.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So return this.
Internal
So,
forces,
Hmm?
impulsive forces are internal.
Yes. You can see that the spring forces, force on
Yes, sir.
M1 is in one direction, force on M2 is another direction. They're equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you take this as a system, see, if you take this as a system together, then
Yes,
this
sir.
and this will nullify, no?
Yes, sir.
So, for the system, momentum is conserved. Only remember,
Yes, sir.
if you consider one body, momentum is not conserved. Reason is there is a force on that.
Okay.
For example, you can see this is M1. There is a force on this. This is M2. Okay, you can see for a single particle there is no momentum cannot be conserved. Okay,
Yes, sir.
linear momentum is not conserved, no?
Not consider.
Okay, What are this?
Followed, sir.
See, crude example if we take, suppose we have a sister. Before marriage, you'll fight with her, argue with her, you'll go to movie, everything, whatever you want. You're internal to your house, that member. Once she gets married, she becomes an external. You cannot behave as you behaved before marriage. That means she became an external object for our family. Do you agree with that? She became an internal to another system. Her husband or in-law, that is an internal for her. Agreed. That means the same force, if the system is changed, now we are taking that before marriage what she is. After marriage, the system is changing. Okay? Understood? So here, internal and external forces depend upon the system. If you take only M1 as a system, definitely there is a force on that. Momentum is not conserved. If you take only M2 as a system, definitely there is a force on that. Momentum is not conserved. But if you consider M1 and M2 as a system, both the forces which are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction sum up to zero. For that system, you can conserve momentum. Understood the story?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Understood, sir.
Shall I turn this page?
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, if we neglect, we will be assume that there are no dissipative forces. Dissipative forces means one which will consume energy. This which cause loss of energy. Friction is a dissipative force, no?
Yes, sir. It forces.
That is the reason why when you throw one body on the ground, it will come to rest after some time. The kinetic energy, you have done work on that body by throwing. That means the work is converted into kinetic energy. That kinetic energy is lost, it comes to rest. It is lost as thermal energy, which cannot be retrieved.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? That means this is before collision, this is during collision, this is potential of the spring, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Potential waves. So,
See
one doubt, sir.
here,
One doubt, sir. Half M1 V1 square, then half M2 V2 square, no, sir.
which one?
Can still.
Following this,
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is the dissipative force?
Dissipative means one which consumes. They'll be consuming the energy and they dissipate into heat. When you just slide a block on a floor, it comes to rest. You are sliding a block means you have done work on that block. Okay, that work is converted into kinetic energy of the block. The block is moving. After some time, it comes to rest. What is the force responsible there? Friction. Friction opposes motion. Okay. So what happened is the energy, kinetic energy of the body is dissipated as heat, thermal energy. Okay, it cannot be retrieved. When it cannot be retrieved, we say dissipative. When it can be retrieved, we don't say it is dissipative.
Yes, understood.
Dissipated means wasted. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
So now you can see that if you observe this, we have two types of collision basically. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Then sometimes the deformation is permanent. That means permanent means they cannot be separated. No.
Yes, sir. Irreversible.
If they separated, there will be some definitely some way the permanent deformation will not some deformation come back to some extent.
Yes.
The collision is said to be perfectly inelastic. Follow this? Is it clear?
Yes,
Sir,
See,
it
sir.
means when there is maximum compression, they will continue to be in that state only, sir. Then it is called perfectly realistic.
they move together. They won't be coming back. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Blocks move with common velocity even after collision. That means they won't return back.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
In a system wherein the blocks have a common velocity and move together, then the collision is said to be in perfectly inelastic collision. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes,
Shall I turn this?
Minutes.
1 minute, sir.
Minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute,
1
sir.
minute, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Complete.
So, in terms of equations, for any collision, momentum is
Conserve.
do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
See, the kinetic energy before collision is equal to, is the case when bodies regain the shape permanently, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is what you have. Kinetic energy of system
Before collision
before collision
is equal.
is equal to Ke of system
after.
After collision. See, remember that. So can I say kinetic energy is conserved?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Conserved
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes, yes,
Yes, sir.
Conserve.
yes, sir.
Yes, you people also have learned some dirty books, I think. In books they are writing. Conservating means at every moment it should have constant value. But here remember that only before, during collision is not equal, no? Remember that Ke of system before collision is not equal to,
Your system during collision.
okay,
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes,
Therefore,
sir.
we can say that Ke of system is not conserved.
Conserved.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. During it is
Conserved means
not.
you can use this also, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir. Agreed,
Why?
sir.
Because at maximum compression, they have a common velocity half k xm square. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or it they may have some other value. Some part is stored in the spring, no? So
Yes,
you
sir.
have that initial Ke of system minus Ke during collision is stored as elastic deformation energy. Understood this? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Following what I am saying? So this system, that means this is valid for what?
For
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
turn this?
1 minute.
one.
So suppose in the question they ask find the elastic deformation energy. That is nothing but kinetic energy before collision and kinetic energy during collision. Subtract one from the other, that goes into the deformation energy. Understood this?
Understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Finished. Hello?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Sir, sir,
Tell.
the linear momentum of system will be conserved even if it is inelastic collision, sir. Perfectly inelastic.
What I wrote here, ma?
No, sir. Any collision you wrote, sir, but in that case, I have a doubt, sir, how it will be conserved.
Hopeless fellow. External force is 0, no?
Yes, sir. External force is zero, sir, but after collision, the bodies will be with each other, no, sir. It will be stick to each other, no.
What is the conservation of an linear momentum says that in the absence of external forces, linear momentum is conserved. It did not say about anything related to shape of the bodies, no?
Yes, sir.
Energy speaks about shape of the bodies.
Yes.
Linear system, external force is 0, then the linear momentum must be conserved. That is only like law of conservation of linear momentum, no? That
Yes, sir.
follows directly from Newton's law only, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if external force is 0, then dp by dt is 0. That means p is constant.
Yes, sir.
Then
So
that's why
one doubt, sir.
specifically I wrote this. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
So one doubt, sir.
Tell.
For example, I am keeping two blocks and I
Pardon?
am pushing one block. Sir, I am keeping two blocks and I push one block and try to hit it with the block. Still, I am not withdrawing that force.
What you are
Then,
saying? You
this,
tell what you are talking. What you are saying? You are?
sir, I am keeping two blocks and I am pushing one block to another and withdrawing that force. And I am pulling again, pushing this block together.
External
So
force is
then,
there.
linear moment.
External force is there on the no, no. When you want to conserve linear, what is the system you are conserving? You are considering. If the both blocks are
But
taken as a system, momentum is conserved. Suppose only blocks are taken, momentum is not conserved because external force is applying, no?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it is clear. Sir.
Completed, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we have the kinetic energy before collision. What is this collision called?
Inelastic.
Because this is the energy, no? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Inelastic. Now suppose we have a situation where both velocities are same. That means they move together as a common one. This is what?
Perfectly elastic
Perfectly
collision.
inelastic collision.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Remember that kinetic energy is not conserved even in elastic collision. some of the books are writing elastic collision means kinetic energy is considered, inelastic is not considered. That is wrong. Kinetic energy before collision equals kinetic energy after collision.
During it
But
is
during collision it won't be. Conservation means at every point. For example, whenever a body goes up, at a particular point while going up, it has some kinetic energy. While returning also, it has the same kinetic energy at that point, no? Because speed while going up is equal to speed while going down at any point, no? In kinematics, you learned.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
Now, let us see which parameter decides this nature of collision. We shall see, this is one body. Here they are having velocities u1, this is u2. So there is a force here. Okay. So this is one force.
Yes, sir.
This is something I'm calling. Don't think it's normal reaction. Okay, I'll do one thing. Some force. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then they have a common velocity, no? Complete deformation is there. Agreed?
yes, sir. Yes,
This force, spring force opposes, no? Remember this?
yes, sir.
It tries to
Maximum
come back to its original position. No. These forces are internal restoring forces.
restoring its shape. Body.
Understood there? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
after that, they'll have some velocities. Okay. So I'm just, this is the, unless they separate, these forces will act. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyhow, at this, they won't act this. When they're separated, no? Till here you followed. These are the stages now. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now I can say that
Yes, sir.
from here to here, what is the stage called? Deformation stage or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Deformation.
The stage from here to here, we call it as reformation.
Yes, sir. Both the bodies are reforming its shape.
Okay, Newton has conducted several experiments and he found one peculiar relation. What is that is, for any set of bodies, he found that is proportional to
impulse of deformation.
Obviously, see, if you press a spring more, then the internal forces will be more, no?
Yes,
For
sir.
example, you take a spring of your pen refill, press it very closely, squeeze it very much. You leave
Higher
it,
it will
it will
come.
go, it will fly faster. Did you ever observe?
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
you just apply
Yes, sir.
little force, it won't have that much fastness. Understood what I'm saying? That means
Yes.
the restoration depends upon the compression, no? Till here,
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
No, no.
No, sir. The
Okay.
speed of reformation depends on the speed of deformation.
Okay, let us see for any body. Say, for example, this is M1.
M1, yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
For example, I am taking for M1. Agreed? Can you
Yes.
Yes,
tell
sir.
what is the impulse of deformation? This is reformation. What is the impulse of deformation? This is deformation, no? Agreed? Change in momentum only, no?
Yes, sir.
What is the
Yes,
change
sir.
in momentum? See, impulse is for M1. For M1, what is the force direction?
Sir,
Is the force direction, no? So in this direction, we'll take positive. So what you have here, M1,
M1 U1 plus U1 plus infinity.
hmm,
M1 U1 plus infinity. Sure, sir.
correct or no?
Yes, sir. M1 U1 plus infinity. Both velocities are in same direction.
Force direction V minus U1. Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
V minus U1.
1 second. See, deformation means this force is deforming, no? Why the body is deforming?
Because of both
So this
forces.
side you take positive. The force responsible for this, no?
Ah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Deforming force into dt. That is only impulse, no? That is nothing but
Yes,
if
sir.
you take that as positive, minus mv final, okay? Minus,
MU1.
do you agree with this? Because these are opposite, no?
Opposite. Yes, sir.
One sign, it will make you a wrong thing.
Yes,
Till
MU1.
here, any doubt is there?
Yes, no doubt, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Now for M1, what is the, see this is the reformation, no? Okay, suppose if you take this as positive, understood this?
Yes, sir.
Finally, what do you have here? M1 V1 minus M1 V. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
V1 minus V into M1.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? See,
No, sir.
observe carefully. Is this correct? Remember that impulse, momentum of a body changes due to external force, no, not due to its own force, no.
So, but due to
Momentum of a body changes due to which force? External force or internal force?
External.
That means it's an internal force for this M1, no? So which force you have to consider? The force of the other body. That's what I wrote this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So they don't simply write equations. Know that whether it is possible or not. So if
one
you
doubt.
take this as M1, finally what you have here, one minus will come and this will be initially one minus will come. So what you will get here, V minus V1, see check up.
So, one doubt, sir. But
Tell.
this body is reformed due to inherent force, no, sir. That is why
Pardon?
I'm not. This body is reformed due to its
It is reformed only during reformation. Which force is acting on that? External force we should take, not internal. Because only we are applying what change in momentum. Which force will cause the change in momentum?
External.
Understood, sir.
only external force. External force.
If we
Understood
take
this?
internal, it will not be applicable external. Yes,
Hmm.
sir. Understood. Sir, understood.
Take the signs now, otherwise whole thing will go. That's what I am saying. If anybody will object, means nobody are objecting for this. Any doubt is there?
Understood.
Shall I turn this? Shall I turn this?
One minute, sir.
So one
Now we have impulse of reformation is proportional to this, no? Or this is some constant. Do you agree? Do you agree with this or not?
yes, sir.
But first write like this. What is that you have? JR is some constant into JD. What is impulsive reformation for any body?
So, um, so,
Reformation impulse is how much?
M1 into V minus V1.
See, again the force must be taken in the same direction. See. So what you have here? M1,
This sir, M1 into V minus V1.
M1. Constant
Constant into
deformation, what you have?
M1 into
minus.
U1 minus V1. U1 minus V1.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Agree.
M1 will get cancelled. Do you agree with this? Shall I turn this page?
Agree, sir.
Okay. Can I write like this? Previous one I finished, no? You finished this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Finish.
Do you agree with this?
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there? Now let us see. Before and after I'll write. M1 U1, see be careful with this, plus M2 U2 is equal to what? M1 plus M2 into V, no? So what is V?
Yes, sir.
M1 U1 plus M2 U2 by M.
Substitute this value here. Okay, for the time being, we'll come back to this again. Note down this. V minus, substitute, take the LCM carefully. Substitute this. Some constant. What is that we shall see? U1 minus, take the LCM and make the required cancellations and finally tell what is the result you are getting. See, one more equation is there, no? Wait. Again, it will be difficult for you. Cancellation won't take place.
Yes, yes,
From this equation, we can write this, no?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can write all three
Please
momentums.
understand one thing. Wait. Here, no cancellations are taking place. This is what we have to do. That Newton has done all this. Now, for this to get cancelled, what I'll do, because they are V1 here, I'll take the second equation, this one. Here U1 is there, I'll substitute this. Now cancellations will take place. Am I right?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
answer.
This is the brain of Newton, man. As we don't have that much brain, we take longer time. Now here we are worried how to cancel. Now we are getting cancelled by takes. Simple changes he made. After cancellation, see what is that you are getting. I think some terms will get cancelled.
M2 V2 minus M2 V1 equal to constant into M2 U1 minus M2 U2. M1 U1 is value.
This will also cancel now. Agreed? What is this? Can you tell? Relative velocity of 2 with respect to 1 or not?
Yes, yes, sir. Minus relative velocity to with respect.
So this is V21 constant into. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there till here?
Yes, sir. No doubt.
Shall I turn this? Any doubt?
1 minute. Please. No doubt.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
Yes, sir. Complete. Completed.
Finished?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Done.
So what you have? Velocity of 2 with respect to 1 is some constant. Correct, no, this one? Just
Yes,
now we
sir.
got this. Now this constant coefficient of restitution E. Restitution means it tries to restore the shape, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it purely depends about the nature of the internal forces. Because internal forces depend upon material only, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, all depend on.
Just if rubber is there, it has more. Okay.
On the feet.
Followed this. Now
Yes, sir.
suppose E is 1. What you have? Impulse of reformation is constant times impulse of
Of
deformation, no?
deformation.
So this
Yes, sir.
constant is nothing but E only, no?
Yes, sir.
E is 1 means what you'll have?
Your
They
impulse
are
of
equal to ZD.
That means the bodies completely recover their shape and size, no?
Yes, sir.
So whatever force that acts for reformation, same amount of force acts for deformation. Therefore, the body restores its shape and size, no? Do you agree with this?
yes, sir.
Hence, bodies attain what?
Yes, agree. Complete means original shape
Do you agree with this?
and size.
So what is such a collision is called?
Agree, sir.
Perfectly
Elastic.
elastic.
Do you agree with this?
So,
Hello.
agreed,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Agree, sir.
Shall I turn this?
2 minutes, sir.
So till here, any doubt is there?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Right. See, today evening also I am forced to take an extra class.
Okay, sir.
Sir, no
So
problem,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
now we have another class. That's the reason why I am leaving you. So as
So when,
usually,
sir?
5:30
Same
to
time.
7, and with that prayer break. Okay.
Okay,
Those
sir.
interested can attend your wish. Right. Take care. Then.
Thank you.
Sir, bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Complete
Thank
this
you,
and
sir.
go.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.